Good afternoon and Jai Hind everyone. We are on the chapter of practical geometry and we are discussing right now exercise 14.2. And 14.2 is based on drawing the line segment, also drawing the line segment with the given sum, and also drawing the line segment with the given difference. So we will be doing all these pattern of the question. ठीक है, so सबसे पहले let us start with the first question 14.2. First one, draw a line segment of length 7.3 centimeter using a ruler. बेटा ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट आप चाहो तो डायरेक्ट इस रूलर का यूज करके लाइन ड्रॉ कर सकते हो, ठीक है, बट देयर इज अनदर वे विच वी कैन यूज इट. जैसा कि बुक में समझाया, आप चाहो तो डायरेक्ट 7.3 ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं एंड ऑल्सो डू यू कैन डू इट लाइक आप एक लॉन्ग लाइन ड्रॉ करिए, ठीक है, लॉन्ग लाइन. अगर आपको एग्जाम में ये लिख करके आता है दैट यू हैव टू ड्रॉ अ लाइन सेगमेंट ऑफ 7.3 सेंटीमीटर बाय यूजिंग रूलर एंड कंपास, ठीक है, अगर लिख कर आता है तब आप ये वाली मेथड करेंगे विच आई एम टेलिंग यू राइट नाउ. ओके, अदरवाइज यू कैन सिंपली ड्रॉ अ लाइन सेगमेंट बाय यूजिंग रूलर. ओके, but अगर क्वेश्चन में लिखकर आता है रूलर एंड कंपास बोथ, then you will be using the method which I am doing it right now. So what is the first step, beta? You will be first drawing a line of any length, but the length should be little longer. Okay, you can draw a line which will be little longer without taking any measurement. Now the question is telling we want a line segment of length 7.3. So what I will do, I will first mark a point here which I will give a name, can be A, can be B, can be C, can be D, can be any name which you want it. Okay, after marking this point, I will be taking my compass and I will be opening it and taking my ruler and I will place like this on 0 and I will see where my pencil is reaching till 7.3. It means I will open my compass in such a way that my compass should open only till 7.3. Okay, after opening till 7.3, I will not move my compass any of the way, and then I will place my compass needle on point A and I will mark up arc over here. This is of 7.3 and then I will put a point here B. This is finished. This is 7.3 centimeter. Finished. Okay, now you must be thinking कि मैम easily तो हम लोग सीधे सीधे ड्रॉ कर सकते थे, why are we doing so much of lengthy thing? But you know beta, we can draw it simply, but if the question comes that you have to draw by using compass and ruler, then this method is required. Ma'am, but how long a arc should be? An arc should be, yes beta, it's not necessary that आप छोटा सा बनाओ, आप बड़ा भी बना सकते हो. Only the thing is you want a point, ये जहां पर कट करेगा that will be 7.3. आप बड़ा भी बना सकते हो, it can be a longer as well. इतना बड़ा भी हो सकता है, छोटा सा भी हो सकता है और छोटा भी हो सकता है, ठीक है, डिपेंड ऑन यू कि आप कितना बड़ा ड्रॉ करते हो आर्क, ठीक है. Only the thing is that you want this point here, the arc where it is cutting the line, that will be your point B of 7 point. Ma'am, can we make with without compass with scale also? Yes, this I told you, Avantika, that we can draw it with the help of scale also. But the problem is, if suppose in exam it comes that you have to draw by using ruler and compass, then you have to do this process. Otherwise, you can do it directly also. Okay. I hope it is clear now. Can we move ahead with next question? Now, next question I am writing. This question you note it down on your copy by noting it down. This is not from your NCERT. Draw a line segment which is equal to the sum of AB 3.2 centimeter and CD 4.1 centimeter. This is my question. Now all of you noted down this question on your copy and then we'll start it. Now students, move ahead with this question which is written here. Draw a line segment which is equal to the sum of AB and CD, where AB is 3.2 and CD is 4.1. We will use the same process which we have done it in the first one. What we will do, beta? We will be simply first making a line segment which will be longer in length. Okay? Without measuring it. You can take a line segment, of any length. So I took a longer line. I have given the name L. Okay, I have made a longer line and I have given a name A. Sorry, I have given a name L, sorry. Yes. So now let's try it by the same method as we applied in question number 1. What we will do, beta? We will first mark a point here, A. Okay. Now what it is telling, A से B चाहिए 3.2. So I will take my ruler. This ruler I will take. I will mark 3.2 over here. Okay. And I will be just drawing an arc of AB, which should be of the measurement of 3.2. Okay. After drawing this point, I will mark this arc as a point. Okay, just little bit point, a very smaller point. Then you want CD and CD should be 4.1. Okay, CD should be 4.1. So I will be taking here, again I will be taking my compass and I will open it and I will measure it till 4.1. So I will place it here and I will be marking it till 4.1. So this is the second point. Okay. And now this is my final point where I have taken 3.2 as well, 4.1 as well. And here I will place any name which I want. Suppose it can be PQ. Give the name PQ. It can be given the name MN, XY. Whatever name you want to give, you can give. Sorry, I gave the name A here. A will not be taken the name because AB was given the length of any other line segment. Okay. So I will be changing my name and I will be writing as PQ, XY, MN, whatever you wanted. And now you can see the PQ length. This PQ will be the length of the sum of these two given side, which was AB and CD. Is it understood, beta? Tell me yes or no. Now, students, we are doing the second pattern of the question, that is how to construct a line segment which will be twice of given line segment, thrice of given line segment, or maybe any different kind of question as well, which is 5 times, 6 times, or like that. Fine. So what we will be doing in this process, let us understand this. सबसे पहले we will be doing the same thing which we have done it in the previous question. We will be first drawing a line of any length, but it should be longer in length. Okay. So this is, I am taking it little longer. See. So here I have taken, and the name I am giving as L. This is the first step which we have done it. Okay. Now I have to draw a line segment which should be twice of AB. Okay. Which should be twice of AB. So I cannot choose name A or B anywhere. I will be choosing any name which should be other than A and B. So I am taking here this time P. So this is the name P here. Now what I will do, I will be simply taking my compass and I will be opening it and measuring till 5.1. Okay, this is my 5.1. Okay, I measured 5.1. This is my 5.1. Now what we have to do, we have to make twice of 5.1. So what I will do, I will simply take my pointer on point P and I will make first arc of 5.1 and I will place once again the needle on the first point which I have marked here, and again I will draw the same point like this. Now you can see here one time is this and one more time 5.1. अगर हमें thrice करना होगा तब हम क्या करेंगे? Again we will place here only and we will mark one more time which will be thrice. अब suppose question में बोला जाए 4 times I want. So what I will do? I will simply take one more time. This is 4 times. Okay, without changing the position of compass, because once you will open it till 5.1, you will not change it again and again. Okay, because you are doing twice and thrice of it. So you will be simply using this concept. Now give the name, as we were only wanting here twice, तो यहाँ पर हम mark कर देंगे Q. So this is PQ and this is twice of AB. You can write it down 2AB. You can simply write it down 2 into AB. That is fine now. Finished. Have you understood, student? Tell me yes or no. Now, students, let's do the next pattern of the question. The same pattern. Draw a line segment which is thrice this time, okay? Which is thrice of PQ 3.8 centimeter. So सबसे पहला काम, we will be drawing a line which will be little longer in length, okay, without measuring it, okay, without measuring it, we will take a line which will be little longer. Now I have drawn this, I will give a name L to it. ठीक है, now given the name L to it, now the name is PQ. ठीक है, पहले से जो नाम दिया हुआ है that is PQ. So we cannot take PQ now. We will take any other name. So this time I am taking AB. So I have marked here point A now. Fine. Now let us start this. The question is telling I want thrice of 3.8. Fine. First, so क्या करेंगे? सबसे पहले you will be taking the compass, take the scale or ruler and 3.8 इसको open करो. ठीक है? 3.8 ओपन करिए फटाफट से, और जैसे ही 3.8 ओपन करेंगे बेटा, ओपन करने के बाद उसको एक बार हमने फिक्स कर लिया. This is 3.8. Now I am not going to change it. Okay. So this is first step. I will measure it. Okay. 3.8 now. After 3.8, now I am going to start the question. सबसे पहले I will put my needle of the compass on A and पहला point mark किया 3.8. This is first. ये हो गया one time. अब now इस arc पे दोबारा रखा और ये हो गया सेकेंड आर्क, ये हो गया 2 टाइम, 1 टाइम हो गया, 2 टाइम हो गया। अब फिर से इस आर्क पे रखेंगे एंड दिस इज 3 टाइम। So 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, we have done it thrice. And thrice का मतलब होता है the name you will give it as B, and this is AB, which is thrice of PQ. ठीक है, thrice of PQ. It is finished. Students, now we are reaching on exercise 14.3, and question number 1 is telling here that draw any line segment PQ without measuring PQ, construct a copy of PQ. ठीक है, तो क्या करना है हमको, पहले एक लाइन सेगमेंट लेना है PQ। तो हमने एक मार्क कर लिया PQ और हम इसको अपने अकॉर्डिंग केवल मेजर करते हैं। सपोज हमने बनाया 6 सेंटीमीटर का, ठीक है, you also draw 6 centimeter. Let us make a copy of it. So this is PQ and this is of 6 centimeter. I have drawn it 6 centimeters. Yes, Avinash, it will come in exam. So PQ 6 centimeter. Now the question is telling कि आपको बिना मेजरमेंट किए इस वाले लाइन सेगमेंट का आपको इसकी कॉपी बनानी है। कॉपी मतलब just you have to make one more line segment which should be of the length PQ only. So हम लोग बिल्कुल वही काम करेंगे जो अभी हमने पुराने में किया था। क्या करेंगे? Again we will be drawing a line of any length which will be little longer in length. We will give the name L to it. L दे दिया। अब now the name was PQ. So this time the name should not be PQ. The name should be something different. So I am taking XY this time. So one point I will be marking as X. अब क्या करेंगे? अब हम कुछ भी मेजर नहीं करेंगे, याद रखो, बिकॉज क्वेश्चन में लिखा है यू हैव टू नॉट मेजर इट एनीथिंग। सो आई एम नॉट मेजरिंग एनीथिंग। व्हाट आई एम डूइंग इज आई विल बी टेकिंग माय कंपास, आई विल बी पुटिंग ऑन P। ठीक है, यहाँ पे P रखा और यहाँ पर Q पे रखा और इसको देखा कि ये कितना खुल रहा है। लुक एट हियर, सी, आई एम जस्ट ट्रेसिंग इट, आई एम जस्ट चेकिंग इट कितना ओपन हो रहा है ये। ठीक है, one pointer I am putting on P, one pointer I am putting on Q, and I am checking how much it is open. After checking this one, again I am doing the same thing on point X. अब एक पॉइंटर बिना चेंज किए पोजीशन को I am putting my pointer on X and I am just marking this arc, the same one. देखो सेम मार्क किया, यस। अब इसको मेजर करके देखिए कि आर यू गेटिंग एक्चुअली PQ का मेजरमेंट, आर यू गेटिंग 6 सेंटीमीटर और नॉट? इफ यू आर गेटिंग 6 सेंटीमीटर इट मीन्स you have just made a copy of it. Yes, Arshanand, you are right, beta. Faster, please. फटाफट से चेक करके बताओ, is it really the copy of previous one or not? Check faster. Is it 6 centimeter?